can see the board, Arizona State University. We will get a picture there. I will get a picture with Manish there. So these are different campuses, college buildings. This University Drive. This is the main road in the campus. చూడొచ్చా డార్మెటరీస్?
బట్ మీకు నేను అది తీసుకెళ్తాను. సండే ఫిట్నెస్ స్టోర్ ఉంటుంది.
He is Manish. See the different buses in the campus. Beautiful, but it is hot, very hot today. Otherwise, it looks beautiful. Instead అమ్మాలి.
పైనకి పెట్టాలా?
స్లోగా ఓకే.
బట్ వాళ్ళు కట్టడం కూడా కష్టం.
See how beautiful landscape. So these are college building. Different classrooms. Adi library. There is a big building is library. This is also library. So this is hidden library. So yeah, that also hidden library. So here people use library for referencing, for writing, submitting articles, theses, assignments, doing assignments. So they use library very well. This is Starbucks in campus. Very cool. Starbucks in campus is cool. So Manish is bringing hot tea, chai latte for me. So I said I will go and bring, but he said he will bring tea for me. So I am waiting for Manish. So this is main cafeteria, the food court. You can say Chick-fil-A, Subway, PAY, Mexican Cordoba, Mexican food is Einstein Brothers. So several 5 restaurants here. Okay.
Most received.
This is business, MBA, business related courses, Memorial Union. My friend Vinith has studied here in the year in the year 2002 to 2004, I think, or 2001 to 2003. So he used to tell me about ASU campus, about Phoenix, about Pasand restaurant. So I don't know whether Pasand is there now or not, but he used to tell so many things about ASU campus. So from that day onwards, I wanted to visit ASU campus. So because I heard from several people about ASU. See, this beautiness comes with trees and landscaping. That's it. So there is no beauty without trees. So outside it is not looking beautiful. So inside it is looking very beautiful because of trees. So he is Manish, my classmate Srinivas son. So he is doing masters in computer science here. So he is almost finished. So next month he is going to graduate. Yeah. Thanks Manish for campus tour and everything. Thank you very much for
తీసుకున్నాయి అనుకోండి
Ah.
ఆ బిల్డింగ్లో తీసుకోవచ్చు.
Okay.
ఇంటర్నేషనల్ స్టూడెంట్ స్కాలర్ సెంటర్.
So that is student services building. So if students have any queries, so they can just go and talk to them and resolve their queries. Pasund Guwahati bus. I have spent like more than an hour in this beautiful campus, Arizona ASU campus. That is the biggest auditorium. So all events take place there. So this is the free bus. Free buses stop here. So there are 4 campuses in ASU, Arizona State University. So every 5 minutes, so the buses will go to other campuses, and it is free for students. So morning 6 to till night 10 o'clock, buses are available. Event avani?
అదంతా రోడ్ నార్మల్. అక్కడ మీకు ఏసీలో మెయిన్ ఉంటుంది. STFC
Okay.
సన్ లెవెల్ ఫిట్నెస్ కాంప్లెక్స్
Okay. Gym,
జిమ్,
fitness and gym. Yeah.
బ్యాడ్మింటన్,
Badminton, all sports complex.
వాలీబాల్, బాస్కెట్బాల్ అండ్ HFC.
This is students parking. You can see this is motorcycle parking. So few students they come by bikes. Some students, most students they come by bus. So most here Americans they stay in indoors in dormitories. So Indian students they stay outside with friends in the apartments. So it depends. So cricket ground, eh?
క్రికెట్ కాదు, ఫుట్బాల్.
So this is football. This is football and cricket ground. So even they play cricket, Premier League cricket here. Volleyball, yeah, volleyball court and football. So this is fitness center. So gym, all indoor sports games are here. This is basketball playing. Students are playing basketball. And the evening night they convert this into badminton courts by removing that basketball goals. This is the most famous palm walk in the campus, ASU campus. This is palm trees. So it is looking like our airport, Hyderabad airport. So walking in between palm trees is palm walk. So it's liked by most students here.
హౌసింగ్ అనుకుంటా. కంటిన్యూ అవుతుంది అక్కడ నుంచి.
Palm walk continues after the road. This is like crossroads. You can see 4 roads here. So out of 4, 1 is Palm Road, 2 are Palm roads. It's a beautiful. This is a health service center for this campus, main campus. It's like medical facilities for students. So they have doctors, nurses, beds, everything. It's a big facility for students. We are continuing on in Palms Walk. This is one famous bridge in the college campus. You can see. So you can see the highway road this way and that way. Highway, college buildings. So that big building is hostel, and the entire floor is dining hall. These are all dormitories. So this is UPS store, and also then one Starbucks is there. So it is UPS like FedEx, and USPS is government service. This is UPS store. Starbucks. There are 4 Starbucks shops in this campus. This is Fulton Center. These are all dorms. You can see the beds, everything. Students' dorms, students' hostels. So these are all buildings, different colleges, campuses. So we have almost toured most of the campus buildings in Arizona, ASU State University, Arizona State University. So now we are going back to bus station, as a train station, to take bus number 66, my hotel, Quality in Chandler.